Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add some questions in SurveyMonkey. First, I'll just come here and click on a new question, and I want you to choose this one. So click on this drop down and choose matrix / rating scale. Okay, this will allow you to add sub questions, which I'll show you right here. First, let's enter our actual question. Right? And then let's enter some role labels. So let's do customer support and then do some more. We have also added website navigation and product quality. Now we can scroll down, and here where it says columns, you can choose to use weights if you would like, or you can disable weights. So these weights are basically adding more points to each choice, right? I'll just disable this one and let me go ahead and add columns right here. So these are my column labels, as you can see. And now we can go ahead and save, and then let's preview this survey, right? So just click on preview survey, and then I'll answer the question. We'll see what it looks like. And I am now able to choose different options here. Okay, so we have the main question and the sub question. And it's really that easy and simple, and that is how you add sub questions in SurveyMonkey.